You didn't know this, but breaking the handle of a mug, especially one that isn't even yours, isn't the end of the world. You know that mug you swore you wouldn't touch but managed to break on the very first sip? Yeah, don't panic. You don't need to run to the store or come up with some lame excuse. There's a simple and quick way to fix that handle, and the best part? It looks so good that nobody will notice it was ever broken. Want to know how? Just follow this step-by-step tip until the end.